Hello everyone, I'm Walter, and today I'll be doing a video review on Erectin, a natural supplement designed for men who want to regain their confidence. It contains ingredients like Tribulus terrestris, Peruvian maca, and Korean ginseng, all clinically tested to boost testosterone levels, improve blood circulation, and bring back your energy. I'll admit, at first I was skeptical, but when I read about the natural ingredients and saw the testimonials from other men who had been through the same thing, I thought, why not give it a try? Did you know that 70% of men experience a drop in libido after the age of 35? I wasn't ready to accept that, no way. Honestly, I never thought I'd be here sharing this with you. But if you've ever felt like your energy, your confidence just disappeared, then you need to hear my story. I was going through a tough time, work stress, constant fatigue, and to be honest, my confidence in the bedroom wasn't the same anymore. It started to affect my marriage, my self-esteem, and even my desire to socialize. That's when I decided to look for help and came across Erectin. The first few weeks were subtle, but I began to notice a difference. I had more energy when I woke up, and I wasn't as tired by the end of the day. After a month, I felt like a new man. My confidence came back in a way I hadn't felt in years. Even my wife said, "You're starting to feel like the guy I married." All of this happened naturally without any side effects, because Erectin is a natural supplement. For me, Erectin isn't just about performance, it's about feeling whole again. A quick heads up, if you're considering buying Erectin, make sure to purchase directly from the official website to get the best deals and take advantage of their 67-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied, they'll refund your money. No hassle, no risk. This also helps you avoid counterfeit products sold by unauthorized sellers on platforms like Amazon or Walmart. I've included the link to the official website in this video's description. You can check out all the details and ingredients before making your purchase. If you're watching this and resonating with my story, don't wait any longer. You don't have to live like this. I'm proof that change is possible. Try Erectin, not just to improve your performance, but to rediscover the real you. Using Erectin is straightforward and fits easily into your daily routine. Start by taking 2 capsules per day, preferably with a meal like breakfast or lunch, to ensure optimal absorption. Make sure to drink a full glass of water with each dose to support digestion and maximize the supplement's benefits. Consistency is key. Take the capsules every day without interruptions. While you might notice subtle improvements within the first few weeks, the full effects typically become evident after 4 to 8 weeks of regular use. Erectin is designed for continuous use, so there's no need for cycling or breaks, as it's a natural and safe supplement. For the best results, pair Erectin with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. If you're taking other medications or have pre-existing health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before starting. Avoid exceeding the recommended dosage, as doing so won't speed up results and may put unnecessary strain on your body. With proper use and consistency, Erectin can help you regain your energy, confidence, and vitality safely and effectively.